How to turn comments back on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Once you're here, tap on the plus icon at the bottom panel and start recording your video. Then once you're done with the edits, tap on the next button. Once you're in this page, tap on the privacy settings. Then, select the option Allow Comments from the menu. It says due to account privacy, the comments are not available. Close the tab and go back. Then, go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Once you're here, tap on the menu at the top right corner. Select the option Settings and Privacy from the bottom, then go over to Privacy. Scroll down and tap on the option Comments. After you're here, tap on this option Allow Comments From and select the option Everyone from the menu. So, by following these steps, you can turn comments back on TikTok.